Hello everyone, this is Robert Martin with We Sell or We Buy Realty, and I wanted to let you know about some open houses that we're having this week. If you're interested in buying a home or a condo in the Daytona Beach area, we've got several open houses that we'd like to invite you to check out. The first one is at 535 Lost Shaker Way. This is an awesome villa in Latitude Margaritaville, and it'll be open on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Second open house we wanted to let you know about is in 2 Oceans West Boulevard. This is in the Oceans Grand condo. It's unit 1905. It's on the 19th floor, and it'll be open on Sunday, August 11th from 12 to 5 p.m. and then the following Friday on August 16th from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. The next open house that we're going to have open this week is 241 Riverside Drive, which is unit 2507 in the Marina Grand on the Halifax condominium. It's on the 25th floor, so it has a great view of the river. You even have glimpses of the ocean, considering how high it is in the building. It's going to be open on Thursday, August 15th, and on Sunday, August 18th, from noon to 5 p.m. And then the fourth open house that we have this week is 731 Mosaic Boulevard, which is a brand new Adley built home, never lived in. It's their model home. He's closing out of this subdivision. He has 2 homes left to sell. That will be open all week. It'll be open Sunday from noon to 5, and then every day, Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. at night. So we'd love to have you. Please check these out if you're interested in a new home. These are all priced to sell quickly. If you have any questions or need information, just give us a call at 386-898-0700. Call or text. We'll get back to you right away. We look forward to seeing you.